I am among those people who believe, Ramesh Sabarwal, that people made up their mind in January, February, and everything after that is, it's digital media commentary. और कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Ramesh Sabarwal ji, please open the debate. Tariq Lari ji is there. Actually, let me start with Tariq Lari, and because they are outside the studio, Subarashta, Piyush Joshi, and of course Shehzad Poonawala of the BJP. Tariq Lari ji, first of all, I must say that people are putting a very brave face to it. Opposition is putting a very brave face. Till now you are saying that you are going to come to power, there is an undercurrent against Modi, there is dissatisfaction among the people and all that. But ये सब एक हफ्ते की बात है. Lari ji, after 1 week you will have to change your narrative. I think you will pick up the EVM narrative. I think you will pick up Election Commission is unfair narrative. This is likely. Yes.
I was there with you.
I am just thinking of which narrative you will pick up. I tell you, Tariq bhai. I think आपको वही narrative अच्छा लगे. हाँ जी.
एक बात सुन चलिए.
बोलिए.
हम 2022 के इलेक्शन में सवेरे 7 बजे से रात के 9 बजे तक साथ में बैठे थे. याद है ना आपको? मैंने स्पेशली आपने तारिक अहमद लारी की बात की है. तारिक अहमद लारी ने एक लफ्ज ईवीएम के ऊपर नहीं बोला था. ये आपको याद रहना चाहिए. ये याद रखना चाहिए. तारिक अहमद लारी कभी किसी का गुलाम नहीं होता है. हम वही बात करते हैं जो हमको दिखता है. तो मैं वही बात करूंगा जो मुझे दिखाई देगा. लेकिन आप क्या करेंगे 4 जून के बाद, ये आप सोच के चलिए. आप इंडिया में रहेंगे या बाहर जाएंगे? क्योंकि आपने जितना 10 साल में किया है वो हिसाब किताब कैसे करेंगे भाई?
क्या किया
आप नहीं और भी लोग हैं जो आप लोगों ने किया है. जो नैरेटिव आप लोगों ने नैरेटिव इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाया है, जो आप लोगों ने बिल्कुल जो राहुल गांधी जी की लैंग्वेज आपने सुनी ली है, उस लैंग्वेज की हद पार की है. जो इंटरव्यूज में आप लोगों ने मेन मुद्दों को छोड़कर कि आप कैसे इतना महान काम कर लेते, बजाय ये पूछने की अग्निवीर का आपने प्रोग्राम क्यों बनाया, आपने क्यों आर्मी को 4 ही साल रखा, आपने क्यों नहीं नौकरियां दी, आपने क्यों नहीं राशन, आपने क्यों नहीं 15 लाख रुपए दिए, आपने क्यों नहीं सिक्योरिटी दी, ये पूछने की बजाय आप पूछ रहे हैं कि आम कैसे काट के खाया जाता है और कैसे किया जाता है. तो इसके ऊपर जवाब आप लोग को देना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे, मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ.
चलिए,
मुझे तो ये सोच बड़ी ताज्जुब हो रहा कि अर्नब भाई मेरे बड़े भाई हैं, क्या होगा फिर. अच्छा,
पता नहीं आप लोग क्या करते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं, कैसी बात करते हैं.
नहीं, हम क्या सोचते हैं
भाई, मैंने तो मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. मैंने तो जब प्रधानमंत्री से इंटरव्यू की, मैंने ईडी के बारे में पूछा, मैंने सीबीआई के बारे में पूछा, मैंने फॉरेन पॉलिसी के बारे में पूछा, मैंने पाकिस्तान के बारे में पूछा, मैंने माओइज्म के बारे में पूछा, मैंने नक्सलिज्म के बारे में पूछा, मैंने वंशवाद के बारे में पूछा. और अप टू डाउन मुझे देखे तो एक मिनट सुन लीजिए. मैं उल्टा जवाब देना जानता हूं लारी जी, और इतना अच्छी तरीके से देता हूं. आप सुन लीजिए मेरी से. अरे मैं आपके लखनऊ स्टाइल में बोल रहा हूं. मेरी बात सुनिए. मैं अप टू डाउन बताइए कहां से अक्षय कुमार लगता हूं कि आम के बारे में मैंने पूछा, आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. अब कोई कुछ पूछे, मगर मुझे इतना पता है कि आपके जो इंडी पत्रकार है, एक चैनल है शहजाद, एक चैनल आपका ही चैनल है. सुन लीजिए, एक मिनट रुकिए. अरे रानी जी, आपका ही चैनल है. आपके चैनल ने पूछा रॉबर्ट वाड्रा को पूछा ब्रो हु इज फिटर, आर यू फिटर or is Rahul Gandhi fitter? How many hours do you spend in the gym? Rubbish. Now my question is, let's get serious. Ramesh Sabarwal, are you going to sing the EVM rag? Are you going to sing the EVM rag? Are you going? He's an aspiring politician. Are you going to sing the EVM rag? Very simple. Are you going to sing the EVM rag if the numbers of the NDA go over 300? I'm not even saying BJP. I'm saying if NDA goes over 300, are you going to sing the EVM rag?
We want that the election should be held in a transparent manner.
Oh, so these elections are not transparent?
No, मैंने तो नहीं कहा. मैं कह रहा हूँ we want that. But वीवीपैट की काउंटिंग नहीं होती. हम लोगों ने इतना कहा कि वीवीपैट की काउंटिंग करा लीजिए. स्लिप्स की काउंटिंग के लिए एक नोट की मशीन में आधा सेकंड लगता है एक पोलिंग बूथ के लिए. आई डोंट नो, अगर बीजेपी को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस था, because this election is a second independence movement of India. This election is against Mr. Modi. The people of India are fed up with him. The people are totally removed. If some miracle they can do, I don't think so. I have no idea. But we believe that we are going to form the government. We believe the Indian people, the manifesto which we had given, it's a total committed to the people of India, to the people of need of the hour. The manifesto of Rahul Gandhi, the manifesto of Congress Party, the manifesto of all the India Alliance parties.
No, I'm asking you, you see, please look at the logical facts. SP leaders allege EVM tampering after the peaceful 6th phase voting. This seems part of a plan to me, Shehzad. There's no doubt in my mind that this is part of a plan. Am I wrong about it? Can anyone deny it? Tariq Lari says we won't complain about EVMs. I began by saying probably they will, Shehzad. So is this part of a plan here? Kapil Sibal is suddenly very anxious a week before the election results. Am I wrong here? Is June 4th going to go the blame EVM way?
He's not a technocrat.
Shehzad. No, okay, so he's not. So I'm saying all your National Conference leader Farooq Abdullah criticizes EVMs. Rahul Gandhi raises the EVM issue in the Maharashtra rally on the 17th of March. NCP leader questions the reliability of EVMs. Jairam Ramesh says EVMs are manipulated. I'm not making all of this up. Shehzad.
So see, Arnab, it's a 7-phase election, but there is a 4-phase meltdown. First phase, they removed the anger on opinion polls. Second phase, they removed it on media. Third phase, they are removing it on EVM, ECI. They have gone multiple times to court. And fourth phase, after 4th of June, they will start abusing the Janta. They will start saying, Janta hi kharab hai, kya kare? Now, let me tell you one by one. You know, yesterday, a story was published by this Haywire publication. A Haywire publication.
Which one is that?
I think people are very smart. Your audience is extremely smart. Haywire publication. This Haywire publication published and said that in the last time's 2019 election compared to this time, there were 71 crore voters in the first 5 phases, and today it is 20 crore less voters. Actually, in absolute terms, the voter numbers have increased, but that last election had only 61 crore electors.
I'm not getting here.
61 crore voters had voted. They said 71 crore voters had voted in the first 5 phases.
Yes.
So on the basis of this kind of allegation making, they went to the courts and they said that 100% VVPAT should be matched. The court said nothing doing. They went and said EVM kharab hai. Court said EVMs are fine. They went and said that we need to have a minute-to-minute form 17C should be uploaded. The court said nothing doing. This should not be uploaded. After all of that, they have come now to the conclusion that we have to still raise this because A, they want to, tomorrow on 4th of June when they lose the election, they will say कि ये देखिए EVM खराब था, हमारे लोग तो ठीक थे. And secondly, they will say that in the entire world, they will go and say this was not a true and free and fair election because Modi तो केवल बहाना है, देश की संस्थाओं पर निशाना है. Or else I am saying today, please have any Congress leader, official Congress leader, to commit and say that yes, we will accept the verdict. They are not going to accept the verdict. Even one second, sir, I have not interrupted you. Even whole of India. What is the barometer of that? Your statements.
We are watching the mood of the India.
You're watching the mood. Yeah. You are watching the mood in the 5 state assembly elections. You lost 3 assembly elections. Madhya Pradesh.
That was also.
You are not in this studio. You are in the previous studio. This is a far bigger studio. At that time, you said, "I am watching the mood of Madhya Pradesh."
Tell me.
I am watching the mood of Chhattisgarh.
Tell him this.
And last, I'll give you the final way you can find out. If you were so confident, sir, you would not run away from Amethi.
Sir, आप वीवीपैट की काउंटिंग करा लीजिए ना. आप शेर कहां से आए?
चलिए मैं आपको
अगर आप में दम है तो वीवीपैट की काउंटिंग कराइए.
You believe in this?
Yes.
You believe in this? No, give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds.
Countering you.
कराइए. 17C को लाइए.
You 100%
लाइए. दोनों लाइए. चलो. जालो लाइए दोनों.
Now let me complete. If you 100% believe in this, if the Congress believes in this, why don't they say that Telangana elections should be done with the 100% VVPAT counting?
Election Commissioner resign.
Their election commission whatever it decides is fine. यहाँ पे नहीं हो.
क्यों दर्द होती है? आपके पेट में क्यों दर्द होती है?
हमको क्या दर्द है? बोलो तेलंगाना चुनाव फिर से करो.
तेलंगाना इलेक्शन कमीशन रिजाइन कर जाता.